Hello everyone, this is Ethan from the Scanlily team, and today I'm going to show you some more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your Scanlily experience. This video assumes you already know the basics, so we're going to go a little more in depth. First, let's look at how to manually add an item, perhaps if you don't have a QR code or don't want a QR code. First, go to the top left-hand drop-down and click on Manual Add. That pulls up this menu where we can add a name. Let's say we wanted to add a camera. The ID is currently set to undefined, meaning that a QR code has not been assigned to this specific item yet. However, if we were to click on the gray scan icon next to it, we could add a QR code at any point. Looking a little further down at item type, we can see it's currently set to standard. Clicking on that drop-down pulls up all these different item types, each of which correspond to different fields that can be filled in below. We can edit those fields by clicking on the black pencil icon. Doing so pulls up this menu where we can select or unselect any of these different fields, move around the order, or if you're a business or pro user, add a custom attribute for your specific needs. Moving back out though, if we were to click on this blue plus icon, it would automatically generate a QR code for this item. Doing so now, we can create this QR code and click on the gray printer icon to pull it up, to send it to someone by email, download it, or print it. Now, if we move back out, we can look at the attachments section. Attachments are a key Scanlily innovation, and we've talked about them some previously, but today we're going to look at the notes section. That's the purple icon here. Clicking on that, we can enter a note. Let's just add a test note for now. This note field also recognizes URLs. So if we were to add www.scanlily.com, it will recognize that as a URL and it can be clicked from the main page. Another innovation is reminders. Let's go ahead and set a reminder for 8:24 a.m. on July 6th. Adding that reminder now, we can see that the note pulls up and the reminder is set. You can select what kind of reminder you want by going to Settings, going to User Profile, and clicking on if you want to have email notifications, push notifications, or both. Now let's go ahead and look at the quantity field. Moving on over to the items page, we can see that many of these different items have a quantity number next to them. For inventory management, this is very helpful as we can quickly add or subtract items. Clicking into one of these items, we can scroll down and see that the quantity field initially starts out as blank, meaning that you don't want to track the item quantity. However, if you go ahead and click the plus button, you can start tracking that quantity, even moving it to 0, meaning that you have none of this item, but you still want to track the quantity. If you click the minus button again, it will move back to no longer tracking quantity. Moving back out to the drop-down, we can see that there's also a container menu. Containers are also a key Scanlily feature, and we can see many of the different containers here. Clicking into the basic toolkit, we can see to add to this container, you can do so using any of these methods, manual, search, or scan. Scrolling down, we can also see all the different items in this container, adding or subtracting the quantities quickly on this container page. Also, it's important to remember that the Scanlily website, www.scanlily.com, has many useful reports and pages for you to check out for more information. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.